Ayo, what's up? So as we all know, the costume design in Miraculous Ladybug is hot garbage. The two characters where they really missed a good opportunity is Julika and Rose. Imagine if these girlies had matching Lalita outfits. So my little sister and I designed some Lalita superhero suits and made them as a cosplay. I only filmed the process of making mine, but hers is made in a very similar way. Step 1. The skirt. First I cut a rectangle of black fabric and hem the top and bottom edge. Cut the same size rectangle out of a purple printed fabric and hem the bottom edge. Attached the top edge of the black rectangle a few centimeters above the bottom edge of the purple one. Prepared a bunch of tulle strips. Sewed them to the top edge and pleated the skirt using box pleats. Then made a waistband and sewed it to the skirt. Folded the waistband in half wrong side to wrong side and sewed in place. Then added a zipper. Close the back seam. Out of the black, purple and a darker purple fabric, I made a bunch of bows and sewed them all around the two bottom tiers of the skirt, evenly spaced apart. And that's the skirt finished. Step 2. Decorative corset. I started with a mock-up, made adjustments where needed, and cut the adjusted pieces out of the dark purple fabric 4 times. Sewed them all together and used the excess to make boning channels, as well as made a few out of thin ribbon on one of the halves. Sewed the top edge, joining the two halves together before inserting the bones, made of zip ties. Then sewed the bottom edge. Sewed a zipper at the front and placed ties at the back. I bought a purple cord and used it to lace the back. Twisted the excess cord around itself and sewed it in place. My little sister then painted 3 styrofoam balls and using a shit ton of hot glue, I secured them to the end of the cord. And that's the decorative corset finished. Step 3. The other things. Made some tiger ears out of the dark purple and purple fabric. Then attached them to some hairpins. Then my little sister made the tiger miraculous. I bought a black blouse from a Chinese website. Then bought a purple wig. It's not the right color or style. I couldn't find a purple tigress wig that shipped to Belgium and don't have the skills to make one. As well as a bunch of closet items to complete the look. Final thoughts for my outfit. The decorative corset is a bit too big, which isn't horrible, but it would have been nicer if it fitted me correctly. Aside from that, I have no complaints. Oh yes, the weather being too hot to wear it. That's not very cash money of you, Mother Nature. My little sister's final thoughts on her outfit. All in all, I like it. My shoes are really uncomfortable, and I basically can't walk in them, but they are really pretty. The tulle on the skirt doesn't stay flat or down well. But aside from that, I really like it. Okay, bye, see y'all in hell.